Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a quick video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification so you don't miss any of my video once I upload a new video for you. Okay, now you want to set an alarm to your chart so you don't miss any of your signal. You don't miss your entry zone, you don't miss your entry points. How do you do that? You need to get investing.com app. If you don't have investing.com app, you need to go to Play Store, search for investing.com app, and then install it on your phone. Once installed on your phone, you want to open. Here I have mine. You want to click on it and open it. Allow it to load and open. Okay, cancel these ads here. Okay, here you can see we are in investing.com. Here you can also monitor your news and other things, but for this video we are going to set alarm so we don't miss any entry, we don't miss our signal. Here click on this 3- menu icon, click on the menu icon where you have more, and then it will bring up this page. Before you make use of this app, you need to register it with your email. You need to register with your email. Okay, once you've registered with your email, you're good to use it for anything. Okay, so now click on these alerts where you have this bell icon. Click on it. When you click on it, it will bring up another menu. Here you can see this bell icon. Click on it and it will bring you to this menu again. I have alerts already set to time my entries, so that's why you are seeing all of this. So you want to add an alarm, you want to set an alarm, you click on this plus icon. Once clicked on the plus icon, you will have to search for the pair you want to set an alarm. I assume I want to use gold, that's ZAL USD. I'll search for ZAL and it pop out. Okay, click on it. You will have this menu. Here you want to type the level which you want to get notified once price reach. So I assume I want to get notified at this support level where I have 1659.35. I'll just pick 1559.35, type it here, 1659.35. okay, once I type in, I'll now have to choose moves above or below. Here I want it to move below because its support is going down. I want it to move below. I click on moves below and then click on create. Boom, you can see, and it will be activated. So once price get to that level, investing.com will notify you with an email alert. Okay, and you need to keep your data on so you will not miss the signal once it reach. Okay, that's the simple way to set your alarm so you don't miss your entry zones. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. turn on your bell notification so you don't miss any valuable content wherever I upload a new video. Okay, see you in the next video.